Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk you through how to use pencils for complete beginners. I'm gonna start off with a quick sketch and then let you enjoy that without me talking, and then we'll get into the coloring part. So once your practice drawing is ready to go, let's get into coloring. In this video, I'm using only 12 colored pencils to show you that you do not need lots of colors to get started. But if you own a larger set, the steps remain the same. So for any drawing, you need a light, medium and dark tone of the color you're planning on using. If you're using a smaller set like I am, a light, medium and a black or a dark brown will do the trick. Or you can use different tones to give the piece more depth. You will see what I mean by that when I get to the lips. So you can start with laying down a light layer of the lightest tone all over, or you start with the darkest tone in your shadows. You will see me laying down the lightest shade of the flesh tone all over her skin. Keep a light hand when you're doing that because you want to be able to layer lots of layers on top of that. Of course, make sure that your pencils are really sharp. I prefer laying down the lightest colors first because it's easier to correct mistakes that way. If you are going to put the shadows down first, you just lay the darkest color down where the light does not hit the person or object you're drawing. Or you can wait and see where I'm going to lay them down. Or you can just think of where, for example, a dark shadow would be at the neck or around the nose. Like it's like makeup, think of contouring. And if you've already put the lightest shade down, it's time to grab that medium shade. With this, you are going to lay down your first shadows. That's if you didn't start with the darkest. You can lay this down on a broader space than just your darkest shadows, as we are going to put these in later on. When you are done, you can grab that lighter shade again and blend with it, or use that white pencil you never know what to do with. Now grab the darkest pencil and lay down the darkest shadows. Be careful with that, then it will be harder to correct these mistakes. Using that medium or light tone, blend it out again. If you do use makeup, as I said before, you'll find it similar to contouring and applying highlighter. Finally, keep repeating these steps until you are satisfied and happy with the result. can see how I added some fuchsia with the red to compensate the lack of colors I had. For eyes and teeth, don't forget the shading as they are never really white. For portraits or fur, you need to draw the hair strands in the eyebrows or the hair individually, but following the same pattern. You can add the extreme highlights with a white pen or gouache. Finally, always remember that for a good, realistic drawing with colored pencil, you have to work in several layers to get the result you're looking for. And keep in mind that the deep shadows and vibrant highlights, as well as good blending, are what makes or breaks a realistic drawing. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something along the way. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can leave me any requests you have in the comments or in this comment section down below.